everyone, welcome back. So, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you top 10 must watch Chinese drama to watch. So, let's get started without wasting any time. First, Meteor Garden. It has 50 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. Adapted from the Japanese manga series Boys Over Flower, Meteor Garden is about a poor girl Sen Chen who crossed paths with F4, the popular rich and handsome boys in the school. The show chronicles her love story with the arrogant Domingsu. There has been so many different adaptations of this popular manga series, the most of us are familiar with the plot. Sen Chen is a 18-year-old girl from a family that barely able to make ends meet. Due to turn of events, she gets accepted into a school that only accepts the upper class elite. She immediately clashes with the classmates, especially Domingsu, who is spoiled, arrogant, and a bully. She becomes a target of a series of a prank intended to torment her, and just when she about to give up, Hua Zili always seems to show up to lend her a helping hand. Eventually, the four boys begins to acknowledge Shen Chai's unfeeling personality. Second, Love O2O. It has 30 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. Love O2O centered around the romance between two smart and techie-savvy gamer Wei Wei and Xiaoni. Wei Wei is a smart computer science major who works hard to prove that she is more than her beautiful look. Xiaoni is her senior computer science major who is literally perfect in every sense. Not only he is handsome, but he is also great in academics, athletics, and gaming. Wei Wei and Xiaoni get to know each other through an online game and eventually fall in love in the real world too. The setup of the story is refreshing and draws you into no time. The two unconditionally respect, trust, and support each other. Whenever any issue arises, they always make sure to communicate and resolve problem together. Third, My Girlfriend is an Alien. It has 28 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. Chai Saochi, who was an alien girl from the Cape Town planet, lost her signal and had to stay on Earth. She encounters an overbearing boss named Fang Lin, who was suffering from the rainy weather heterosexual amnesia, and he would forget the female around him. A hilarious and romantic co-star love story since they started. Chai Saochi was not only an alien but also a true-handed witch. Once she inhaled the hormone emitted by males on the earth, she would fall into flowery state and meet many funny things after that. In order to survive on the human earth, Chai Saochi used her various superpowers to solve one accident after another. Fourth, Put Your Head on My Shoulder. It has 24 episodes and the running time of this drama is 40 to 45 minutes. As Situ Mo graduation is nearing, she is confused about her future plans. She tries out all sort of things all the time and she is unable to make her own decision. Her ordinary days are suddenly shaken up when the genius physics student Zhu Wei appears in her life and two accidentally end up living together and chaos begins. Fifth, The Brightest Star in the Sky. It has 44 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. Zheng Bei-shu, a rather temperamental singer who is full of talent but has been giving his management a lot of headaches. It seems all he had known was music since he was young. He does not know nor really cares how to interact with others. Young Chen Chen, a young woman who is very passionate about music. She has been tasked to work as an assistant to Bei-shu. Their working relationship did not start well, but as time goes by, Zhen found out that there is more to Bei-shu that meets the eye. Sixth, Accidentally in Love. It has 30 episodes and the running time of this drama is 30 minutes. Chen Chen Ching belongs to a very rich family, desperately wants to avoid an arranged marriage and find love on her own terms. On her wedding day, she fails town and head out to enroll in the same college where her parents studied, hoping to find out more about their death. To hide her true identity, she changes her appearance and begins to blend in with her classmates. Her school deskmate turns out to be a very famous singer, Situ Feng, with whom she already had multiple runs. They start off on the wrong foot and causing each other grief. 7th, Skate into Love. It has 40 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. Skate into Love is a sport romance drama about a pair of childhood friends who share big dreams on the ice. Tang Shai is a former speed skater who quit the sport after a horrible injury. She met Lee Yu Bing, her former desk mate from elementary school at Lin Cheng University, and he now the school star ice hockey player. After Lee Yu Bing recalls how Tang Xiu used to bully him during their childhood, he pulls some string to get Tang Xiu to become his assistant as a form of revenge. But as the two spend time together, Lee Yu Bing realized that his courage and love of hockey was heavily influenced by Tang Xiu from their youth. In turn, Lee Yu Bing rekindles Tang Xiu's dream of speed skating and to pursue it again. 8th, My Amazing Boyfriend. It has 28 episodes and the running time of this drama is 45 minutes. My Amazing Boyfriend is a Chinese fantasy romantic comedy starting as Tian Jing, a B-list actress who has unlucky love life after being dumped by her 70th boyfriend. Xiu Ling Qiao, a man who has been roaming the earth for the past 400 years, he is not an ordinary human being as he has special power and cannot experience aging, death, injuries nor pain. However, he has been in dormant state for the past 100 years after someone mysteriously drained his blood. One day, Tiang Jing gets into a car crash and suddenly revives Xia Ling Qiu from his slumber. With nowhere else to go, Ling Qiao moves into Jing Shi home despite her protest. 9th, A Love So Beautiful. It has 23 episodes and the running time of this drama is 50 minutes. It starts off with high school classmates Chen Xiaoxi and Zhang Chen, who are also neighbors. Xiaoxi, a cheerful girl who doesn't study much, is expressive about her administration towards Zhang Chen, the popular guy known for his look and high grade. Together with their fellow classmate, the funny Lu Yang, loyal Qing Xiao, and cool swimming team member Wu Bung Sung, they embark on high school life to university until their adult life. 10th, Devil Master Do Not Kiss Me. It has 23 episodes and the running time of this drama is 20 minutes. At first, it may seem like a typical cliché love story between a poor girl and a rich guy. However, the strange fate of Chiu Shai and Han Qiu Lu brings incredible twists to their romance that are found to capture your attention. The leads and the charming supporting characters show amazing growth throughout the two seasons that will keep you out hooked on Master Devil Do Not Kiss Me. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like my video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and see you.